Wish you a very good morning, students. Hope you all are fit. In the series of nouns, we have been discussing types of noun and common nouns and proper nouns we have discussed till now. Today we are going to start with collective noun, a name given to a group of a person, place, animal, thing is called collective noun. And collective nouns are always used in singular form. Read the following sentences here. A class of student. Here, class word is collective noun. A litter of puppies. Litter word is collective. A pack of cards. Pack word is collective. It is a naming word that represents a group of animals, things, or persons. As you can see in the picture, herd that is called group of cows. We call herd to a group of cows. We call set a group of tools, and many members make one family. Uncle John has a herd of cows. Here you can see group of cows. So the word herd is collective noun here. A huge crowd has gathered in the stadium. Crowd word is a collective noun here. Please give me a set of tools. Set word is collective here. There is a fleet of ships in the sea. Many ships are there, as you can see. So, to many ships we call fleet. This way, fleet word is collective noun. Collective nouns, we can see nouns used for referring to a group of individuals or in nouns. One collective noun can be used for several nouns, as here you can see army of ants and army of soldiers. So for the ants and soldiers we can use the word army collectively. A team of horses and a team of players. For the team of for players and for horses, for both we can use team word as collective nouns. Collective nouns like the words team and herd are treated as singular nouns because they represent multiple people or things as a singular unit. Therefore, they use singular verbs or and pronouns. Now we see what is a material noun. A substance or material that is used to make other things is a material noun. Read the following sentences here. I like your silver earrings. Here, silver word is material noun. The chairs are made of strong wood. The word wood is material noun here. The picture of Jesus is made of glass. Glass word is material here. Material noun is a noun word or a noun for a material rather than a thing. Here, cotton shirt is made up of cotton. Wooden chair is made up of wooden. Steel chair is made up of steel. So cotton, wooden, steel are material here. As you can see in the example also, it is made up of cotton. So cotton word is material. It is made up of wood. So wood word is material here. It is made up of steel. That so steel word is material here. Let me tell you one thing. All the material nouns are uncountable, like silver, diamond, lead, paper, cement, paint, plywood. Our teeth are made up of calcium. So calcium word is a material here. That is material noun. Cooking utensils are mostly made up of iron and steel. So material noun is iron and steel. I like satin dresses. So word satin is material noun here. Look at few examples. Pick out the noun and say whether it is proper, common, collective or material noun. Number 1 we have this pen belongs to Preeti. Here pen word is common noun and Preeti is a proper noun. We are going to Australia next month. Word Australia is proper noun and month is common noun. My mother lost the bunch of keys. Mother word is common, bunch is collective, and key is common noun. The plastic table is very steady. Plastic is material noun. Table word is a common noun. So here we have bookwork. Let us start with part F. Fill in the blanks using suitable nouns. Here in the help box we have few words like lion, cards, eggs, trousers, sticks, people, bees, players. Number 1, a pair of trousers. Number 2, a pack of cards. A team of players. A pride of lions. A crowd of people. This way, the given words as collective noun are uh, the names that we use particularly for collection of something. Now we have part G. Choose the correct collective nouns to complete the sentences. Number 1 we have a fleet of ships is standing in the harbor. So here we have two options, fleet and pack. So we need to choose the right one. Exact is fleet. Father lost his bunch of keys yesterday. Two options are there, bucket, a packet and bunch. So right word is bunch. In the same way you need to do other sentences also. In part H, underline the nouns and mention whether these are material nouns, collective nouns or common nouns. Number 1 we have elephant tusks are made of ivory. Here elephant and tusk word are common and ivory are material noun. In part 2, the peasant made his house from bricks. So peasant is common, house is common and bricks is material noun here. In the same way you need to do rest of the part of this. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.